In this video, you'll learn how to check your payment method on eBay. This process will help you ensure that your financial information is accurate and up to date, which is essential for smooth transactions and payouts. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you are on the home page, navigate to the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Account Settings to access your account management options. This action will take you to a new screen displaying various account settings. After reaching the account settings page, look for the payments or payout preferences section. The exact label may vary based on your dashboard layout. Click on this option to view your financial information. You should see details regarding your linked bank accounts or card details. Confirm which payment method is set as default, as this will affect how you receive your payouts. Additionally, check if there are any verification requirements indicated. Next, it is important to review your payment details thoroughly. Examine the listed payment methods to ensure they are correct and active. Pay attention to the account numbers and names associated with each payment method for accuracy. Look for any alerts or notifications that may request further verification. It is also wise to check the payout schedule information and review your recent payout history. Verification of these details can prevent any potential payment delays. If you find that your payment information needs updating, proceed to edit the payment method. This could involve changing existing information or adding a new payout account if necessary. For security reasons, it is recommended to remove any outdated payment methods. Once you've made the necessary changes, make sure to save your updates. After saving, wait for a confirmation notice to ensure that your changes have been successfully processed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.